Stand in a neutral position. Unlock both your knees a little. Clasp your hands on the back of your head. Straighten up your spine and lightly push and brace your head backwards into your hands. Slowly breathe in through the nose. Drop your knees slowly and start bringing your elbows towards each other whilst maintaining the brace. Let your pelvis tilt, drop your head forwards and curl your mid-back into a C-shaped spine. Stop and pause when you feel a good overall balanced stretch across your back. Breathe out slowly through the nose and relax. Take a gentle deep breath here. Hold your breath for a few seconds, open up your mid-back a little bit more and relax in the position. Let go of your breath slowly through the nose and return back to the starting position. Straighten up your knees, lean back into your heels and gently push your back into an S-shaped spine by pushing your pelvis backwards and your head back into your hands. Breathe in slowly through the nose. Continue to stabilise your head, back and shoulders as you gently take your elbows backwards a little bit further to open up your chest. Stop and pause when you feel a good overall balanced stretch across your front. Breathe out slowly through the nose and relax. Take a gentle deep breath here. Hold your breath for a few seconds. Open up the ribs and chest a little bit more and relax in this position. Let go of your breath slowly through your nose and return to the starting position. Repeat the process in a smooth, continuous, alternating fashion whilst remaining relaxed and loose at all times.